What do we have? So it's the same voltage we are getting from the inside.
Yeah.
The same thing we are having from the inside, yes. And that's it. Okay, so we are done. Now let me see the presence of the X in the diagram.
But what you explained to me, which means that
Imagine that there's power. We need to be able to because of that, the power X rod. Now, when they keep air conditioning, let you soon, yes, it continues. What do you think will happen to the water? Okay, so if the water is electrical, what happens to the liquid? You can separate it here. Say under way, you say make it here small. Or you can dig that place more or big at enough. We're not come. Yeah, no, it's not come. That's
almost the only problem.
The idea was I feel the idea is I feel you can't know my head.
Jacob.
That is it.
You hear?
So, one of you